You're a Vistage chair, and you're always looking for the best workshops and tools to bring to your members. Catipult's world-class company presentation is highly rated by Vistage member companies and chairs because it's much more than just slideware. It puts your members on a 3-year journey to be world-class. Your members walk away with custom world-class KPI-based plans that start with their own personal goals, with preloaded action items, meeting agendas, in a software tool they can use to run their plans and align their teams. You walk away with a window into the plans created during the meetings and a tool that you can use to set your meeting agendas, review member accountabilities to the plans, assign tasks, cover issues, and much more. Here's how it works. 1. Book one of our rhythm makers to give a 90 or 180-minute workshop on how to be a world-class company using the extreme focus that high-level KPIs create. 2. Halfway through the presentation, members use the software, free for a period of time, to create 3-year personal and business outcome statements and generate their custom plans. Members should share their personal outcomes with each other and experience what it's like to see a business plan that puts them first, not the business. Here's what some of your colleagues have to say. I introduced this to my entire board, and everyone was interested in signing up to be part of the journey that day. Al Marquise, Vistage Chair, Phoenix. I chose Catipult because it enhances my previous experience with EOS, while giving my members and clients what I feel is a better, faster approach to building a company towards the right targets. Tom Morgan, Master Vistage Chair, Sioux Falls. Book the world-class company workshop today. Invite them to a journey to be becoming world-class that starts with them. Catipult, built for Vistage.